Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download Instagram photos in HD quality. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you gotta do is simply use a third-party website or app, as Instagram does not have a built-in feature that will allow you to download Instagram photos in HD quality. So you can simply use third-party tools like Inflact or Snap Downloader, which will allow you to download the photo in its original resolution. So what you're going to do is simply tap open your Instagram and simply select a person you want to download, or you want to select a photo you want to download. Here I'm selecting one. So simply hit on the share button, tap on copy link, and once the link is copied, open a web browser of your preference and type in the third party downloader's name. Here I'm typing Snap Downloader. Simply tap on that particular app or website, and once you have done this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now simply copy paste your URL and tap on download. So now once you have waited for a few seconds or minutes, so you can simply get your picture right over there. So as we get the picture, you need to hit on the download option and you need to view an ad. As ad help them run the site, simply see that ad and now your picture is downloaded in high quality. So this is how you can simply download Instagram photos in HD quality. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.